Also for Movia Kwaba, Minsaka package away from Oraimo. And this package is supposed to be 15 flash. It's supposed to be a year power bank. So, yenye unboxing yenye gratitude. Yenye adio. So, I was for this is how a package in the city, and the paper a box nation. No, it doesn't feel like premium paper beer. But anyways, I won't do anything with the box tea. And should I here say premium when you premium? I don't know should I in it. And fair was a timami paper bean tea. Yeah, sure. Okay, so if your box also had the honey, it's supposed to be a fast charger. Synicity, a type C toast 15 flash, a 10,000 mAh. So, you share a day room. Okay, so I will for your type C, and as usual, very very short. And I always have a problem with short cables. Say, Oraimo, why don't you include a huge and I say longer cable? Can I then? But anyway, I was expecting it to be short like this now. Now let's see the product itself. Power bank now. Seen it here, and they have a paper B, Oraimo paper B, surrounding and safety B, and a welcome guide paper B. Just big one. All right. So, I mean, be a year product and anchors and a shake at the crow at ishim. Okay, so this is the product. See, and it's here. You say tray be see. Okay. So ocean for seeing it here. So I'll be doing a review on this power bank and metro deal the SCBR. It's the first time I'll show me the name is HY and you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching this and see you in the next one.